Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another episode of Cooking with Cheats! Today we're going to be making some Chidolicious Hotness Chicken Wingz. It's my own personal recipe. As we go through, obviously I can't reveal everything, but I'll show you how to make good off-the-bone wings. It will surprise you. Alright, first things first, we're going to cut these wings into wingettes. Let go. Now the wings are all cut up. We're going to put them in a saucepan. And now we're going to season, and then yeah, we're gonna go from there. Give me 1 second. Now, once you've added the spices, I can't tell you all the spices. It's a secret recipe. They passed down the family for generations since 1945. We're gonna put on the fire, and we're gonna bring this to a boil. Now, I know you're probably thinking, why are you boiling your wings? It's to help the flavor get in there, especially because I didn't marinate it. So this is gonna help those chickens soak up that flavor. And then we're gonna put it in the oven and we're gonna bake them, and they're gonna come out real nice, like, you know what I'm saying? Once you get the chicken bubbling, you wanna have it bubbling, for about 20 to 30 minutes, depending on how much you're making. If you're making a big pot, then I would say probably about 45 minutes to an hour. But you know, there's just a little amount of chicken for myself, you know, so yeah. If you're looking for something to do while you're waiting for the chicken to boil, what you can do is also whisper some sweet nothings to it every like 10 to 15 minutes, you know, to help it like along, you know what I'm saying? Be like, hey, how you doing? Hope you're doing well, soaking up all that flavor. Can't wait to eat you. I love you. Come on. If you look here, you see that water is reducing. You see that line? The burnt marks on the top, like right there? You see how it reduced down a little bit? That's how you know the chicken is getting there. So when it reduces about a little bit more, that's when you know the chicken's ready. You see that? You'll see that. See the line went down even further. Now it's ready. Oh mama. Now that your chicken's done boiling, you're gonna take them out. You know, drip them out. Make sure they got as much liquid off there as possible. Look at that. It looks good enough to eat right now, but you know, it's not quite ready yet. You know what I'm saying? It's not quite ready yet. Gonna preheat your oven to 350. 350 for those who don't speak whatever the fuck I just spoke. And yeah. And then we're gonna bake them. If you're about to make some jollof rice, this stock is better than anything you can buy in the store. I'm telling you that right now, straight up. If you're cooking jollof rice, use this as your chicken stock. What much flavor. Alrighty, into the oven they go. Whoop. Papa. And a boop 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 boom. You're gonna want to leave them in the oven for about 15 to 20 minutes so it can cook through, you know, and the oven can really like draw out a lot of that moisture from the boiling while leaving the flavor inside the chicken. Now, after about 15 to 20 minutes, depending on how many wings you're making, oh, they look beautiful. So beautiful. Alrighty. Now we're going to add some sauce to these wings. Just drizzle right on there. Don't be scared with your sauce, man. Just put the sauce on there. Yeah. Now we're going to just, you know, make sure we got a nice even coating on all the wings. Now we're going to add some hot sauce on there as well. We're also going to brush that down as well. Now, last and most certainly not least, we're going to add some mambo sauce. Just a nice little drizzle. across the wings, you know, just so they pick up a little bit of that flavor from the mambo sauce, you know what I'm saying? Oh yeah. Now we're gonna toss these back into the oven. To the oven we go. I'll see you in about 15 minutes. Can you hear that? I don't know if you can hear that, but they're speaking. They're speaking. All right. Now after that, we're gonna broil them. We're gonna broil them real quick for about 5 minutes. After those 5 minutes have elapsed, the wings are ready. Oh, look at that. Look at how they talk. They're saying, eat me, I'm ready. Woo! And after you're done, you gotta plate them up real nice. Oh, look at that, it's beautiful. So beautiful. And you know the only thing left now is we're gonna take a taste. Oh yeah. Well, that's the stuff right there. Now that's some Chidolicious Hotness Chicken Wingz. Oh yeah. And just remember, this has been Cooking with Cheats!